Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. In that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. Also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on, so I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. And this little booger is jammed way up underneath here, and I was kind of looking at it thinking, what am I, how am I going to get this? I got to take all this stuff off, but it's actually pretty easy. You want to go in here, loosen, there's a hose clamp down here, there's a hose clamp up here. I've already done that in expedition for things. Pop that off, set it to the side here. Then there's this little air horn thing here. I don't know exactly what it's for. You want to take that and this, and you just want to pop it out. Like that. Then you're going to loosen your two little metal clampy things here. I know all the technical terms. You're going to remove those. And then on the back here, there's just some little clips that stick through the plastic. You'll see it. I'm going to take it off, and you can pull it right out of here. Real simple. Much more simple than I gave it props for. Big giant orange thing here. Slap it down in there. Make sure it's actually in there good. Turn that on. And the main thing, you got to make sure in the back here, you actually need to get those on so that they go. There's like three. Here, I'll just show you. 1, 2, 3, 4 actually little holes, and there's plastic pieces on the back that go with those that'll go up in here. So when you're doing that, you gotta make sure you get it back there, get it up over those, and just kind of see. I can put it up over that, and I can pull up on the back end, and it's not popping up. So that's how I know I got it where it should be. So you can pop these on, maybe. Yep. There we go, and then everything's in reverse. This just kind of, this was kind of the hardest part. It pops right up in there though. Then you're gonna slap that back on. Good to go. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.